So Google just released Firebase Studio. I have been playing with it for the past 24 hours and it's absolutely insane. Today I'll show you how to build a sleek SaaS waitlist page that collects information from founders to match them with designers, and I'm going to use Firebase Studio to do that. First of all, go to dribble.com. In Dribble you have a lot of designs and you can find the designs from some of the uh, best designers in the world. You have to take a screenshot of what I like. So I handpicked this particular design, which is originally a login page, but I liked its aesthetics. And once you have taken a screenshot of this, you have to go to firebase dot studio dot studio.firebase.google.com. So studio.firebase.google.com, and you have to explain exactly what you want to build. So I have done this a couple of times and I'm gonna redo it just to show you what it looks like. So here I'm going to make a form similar to the aesthetics of and the structure of the attached image. So the attached image, I'm gonna attach the image, which is a screenshot. But this form will be used to match startup founders with designers. So take all the info needed in the form. The grammar doesn't have to be perfect because LLMs do understand all of them. And you have to prototype with AI. Hit prototype with AI, and it's going to come up with a blueprint or a plan of execution. You can suggest changes, make the changes that you like, and it's going to change this blueprint. And then, it's going to set up its infrastructure, install the dependencies such as Node modules, set up your infrastructure. You don't have to do anything other than that. And then it's going to come up with the web app. So I have done this exercise a couple of times just to, see how it works in different instances. So in this particular example, you can see I have tried this same thing and I have given my suggestions. I have asked it to add certain fields, it understood them, and also I have asked it to, put an image on the side, and that image has to be changed every time you reload the web page. So once you're done with the design, once you're satisfied with what it has come up with, you could click the button here, the globe button, and set it to public. So once it's set to public, you could copy the preview URL, open a new tab, and here's your website. Here's your web page. So this has many things. I think the exact things that I needed for my waitlist page. It has the work email, startup name, and when you click on this, you could either send this information to a database or you could send that information to a webhook, whatever you like. That's mainly it. If you want to make it like permanently public, there is something you have to do. You have to hit on the publish button. You can click next and click on the billing account. I don't have a billing account attached to this one, so you can experiment with this for free and also get public preview URLs which will be alive for a couple of hours. Share with your friends and ask them whether they like it. But if you need a permanent URL, you have to link your cloud billing account. It's pretty much free when you link it with your cloud billing account. It will not cost you anything as far as I know. And it's going to set up its environment and give you the permanent link, which you can also set up with your own custom domain. I need to be able to send this information to a Google Sheet. So whenever a founder comes in and fill this information, I should be able to keep track of it and follow up with them and personally contact them. And I created an Excel sheet like this with the same fields as we see here: the name, work email, startup name, startup description. I'm trying to connect my website, the waitlist page with my Google Sheet. So it becomes an actual working workflow. So let's go to n8n and create a webhook. There should be a pause request. We get our test URL. You need to copy this. Go back to Firebase Studio. Name, work email, etc. And it'll understand that. So when I hit submit, it's going to make those changes. And let's wait for it to make those changes. It seems like it's done with the changes. Let's go ahead and check whether it's actually working. Listen for test event. And here, let's reload this. We have set it to listen to test events. So whenever I hit submit, should be sending that event. Let's go here. Submission received. Yeah. The entire body is the name, work email, startup name, startup description, design preferences. Nice. Let's go and create a Google Sheet. Google Sheets. I need to be able to append a row in a sheet. So I have selected my Google Sheets account. Sheets within document from list. So founder mesh waitlist. There's a sheet that I just created with all these columns. And the sheet has to be the first one, probably sheet 1. Okay, so how to map each column manually? What I'm going to do is so you can see the name, work email, everything is there. Going to add name here, work email here, startup name, startup description, design preferences. Cool. Let's test this out. Test out. I just got a new row. Amazing. So let's go back here and save this workflow and let's test this workflow. So now it's always waiting for new triggers. Let's fire this up one more time. It's there. City set, my email that I just added. Agents to we are building AI agents. We need a Figma designer who can teach our AI to design. I think this is pretty cool, and this is one of the easiest ways for you to come up with a wait list or even something more complex than this. I hope this video helped you out, guys, and just feel free to let me know the cool apps that you are going to be building with this. You could use the same concept with any other app builder like this. Like it doesn't have to be Firebase Studio. It could be Replit. It could also be Lovable. But the cool thing is with n8n you can connect pretty much anything. Thank you guys.